Hey there, the plan was to keep going the back part, but I tinkered a new kind of drone, the repair one. It's nice because I can fill the front left part with them later, near the left front hull defense spot standby room. That you folks see the dimensions? This time I crafted the parts smaller, you can handle the items better. 3 parts so far. I separated the body, the object that the drone takes for the mission, and new energy cores. Unfortunately, the old ones from the other drones and planetarian combat robots doesn't match. I mean, more single items to fill the rooms. They start on this point with their own port to the connection pipe. I fill one of the container from the cargo with the boxes. I know I missed the doors, but here we are. This is not produced on the spaceship. We can print parts, but primarily it comes from outside. You see the same lid, same company. That you folks see how it works and basic animation. I have to be a bit careful about performance. That is the reason that I separated this. You see under 100 frames and the drone is prepared for repair. Then I have to think about where the dude gets the separated items, like the mission specific add-ons. That is the energy source. In total, the idea that we have smaller ones, but for that more is fairly cool. But for now, thanks so much for watching, drop a like, a comment and press the subscribe button, and see you next time.